Hello everyone. So I've created this simple web application for the design of rectangular slab supported on four sides as per IS 456-2000 RCC slab, okay, reinforced cement concrete slab. So there's a simple web application. So let me tell you how to go about it. Okay, so firstly in your browser you just have to search erashwin.com. Er means engineerashwin.com. Yeah, so you reach the website and then you just read the disclaimer. Okay, so basically the website doesn't give any guarantee for the design. It's in your own risk. Okay, so this thing is there, this web application is there. It's very simple. You can turn on dark mode also. It's better for the eyes to use in dark mode. Okay, now you just have to select all the options and then you can generate the slab. So let's start. Let's say we select M25 concrete, and then steel, let's say we select FE 500. Okay, so now you have to select the type of exposure. So let's say we say moderate exposure. If the slab is not exposed then to rainfall and all, then it's mostly mild. But for your topmost slab, if it's not fully covered, then you can take moderate or even severe. Okay, now let's take moderate for now. Now let us enter the value of imposed load. So let's take a higher value of 5 kilonewton per meter square. As you can see, the unit is given here. Now the dead load of the slab will be calculated automatically as it's already specified here. But then if there's any additional dead load like brick load, partition load, floor finish, so these kind of things you can add. So let's take a standard value of 1.5 kilonewton per meter square, which is like generally provided. Okay, now you can select the type of panel. So there are 9 types of panel as per IS 456. So let's say we select this one. Two adjacent edges discontinuous. Okay, so now you just have to give the length and breadth of slab. So let's say the length is 6 meter and breadth is 7 meter. Now to get an interesting answer, I am doing this. So generate slab design. Okay, so optimum depth of slab is 100 mm and total depth of slab is 135 mm. Okay. So now the reinforcement is also given. Edge reinforcement in top in short span is 12 tor at 130 mm center to center, and bottom reinforcement in middle is 10 tor at 130 mm center to center, right? And the long span reinforcement is also given accordingly. Now if you suppose if you want to design another slab, so you can just change the value and then just click generate slab design. So it will give you, now this time it is 10 tor at 130 mm center to center in edge reinforcement. Okay, now if you can just even change the panel type and then the slab design will be generated. Okay, it's very simple. You can select an interior panel, so easily you get all the answers. You can even increase the exposure condition and instantly you'll get the result. And the best thing about this website is that this web application is that the calculation is for optimum depth of slab. Like many softwares, what happens is that you have to yourself select the size and then it will tell you that if it will fail or not. If it doesn't fail, then it will give you the reinforcement condition. But in this, the web application itself will select what will be the most optimum depth of slab, what will be the best depth, and accordingly it will design. And the depth that is calculated, it will be safe in both shear and in bending. Okay, although like already I mentioned in the disclaimer that I don't give guarantee, but more or less it's a very accurate design. I've done all the calculations as per IS code, and then you can use this web application just to verify with your own design or to verify a consultant's design. So that way it can be very handy. And then if you forget to like select some values, then automatically it won't be able to generate the slab. And then another important thing is this slab design is for two-way slab as per IS code. Even the code moment coefficient values are for two-way slab. So if the breadth is more than two times the length, or if any of the values are more than twice the shorter span, then it won't be able to generate. Okay, longer span cannot be more than twice the shorter span. So it has to be at least a two-way slab. Okay, it can't be a one-way slab. So then you can find the values. Okay, so this is how you can use it. It's a very simple web application, and once the web application is loaded, even if you turn off your internet, like if I turn off my Wi-Fi right now, I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi. Even if I turn off my Wi-Fi, there's no net connection, still it will work, still it will generate the slab. Yeah, so that is how I've done all the coding even without internet connection. Once the website loads, the website has to load. Okay, now once the website loads, then you don't need internet connection. So even for remote areas, it will be useful. And to open the website, it will take very less net connectivity. Still, it can open. Okay. So do tell me how you like it and give me your feedback so that I can improve upon this website for the benefit of everyone. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.